We are
the high fivers,
creators,
the future, innovators,
change makers,
problem solvers,
determined.
We wanted to create a better community for the future of Lower Sackville.
We know there are many great things about our community, and we celebrate those things, but we know we can always do more.
We want to live in a community where we feel safe, comfortable, valued, and healthy.
In order to move forward in creating a sustainable, healthy, and happy community, we must first look to the indigenous ways of knowing and being. We need to reconnect with our earth, the plants and animals we share space with. And we must connect with each other, value each other, and support and care for each other. This foundation is necessary to get back to our roots and focus on what we truly value. Our community projects are focused on finding innovative ways to live while at the same time reconnecting with what we know worked in the past.
Our community should reflect the importance of taking only what we need, giving back to nature and the community, and using all of what we take.
We need to take care of our earth, and we need to take care of each other.
We hope this project will help to inspire you to join us in creating a more sustainable, clean, healthy, and happy community.
Solar panels to turn on the light for my phone.
Then the other way.
Hi, we are doing Good Health and Wellbeing. You are currently looking at picnic tables made out of popsicle sticks and put together by hot glue.
We have made this a part of the community because every local community deserves somewhere to eat good, healthy meals.
I've made a special drone for the Sackville River of Sackville for the Communities of the Future project. There are 2 motors for the fans to make it fly over the river. There's also a magnet on the bottom to pick up all the trash. Once the drone is all done for the day, it lands on this landing pad to charge.
In our community garden, there are 7 types of vegetables: tomatoes, cabbages, carrots, squash, onions, corn, beans, and pumpkins. The bean plant, the pumpkins, and the corn are the 3 sisters, the main plants in our community garden. The 3 sisters are important to the indigenous culture because they represent the 3 very different indigenous sisters: Meanie, Wilma, and Gundo. They are planted together because the corn offers the beans support to grow while the squash leaves are good for the plants. It's important to have the community garden because people need access to healthy and nutritious food. Therefore, it's needed to have one in the future, if not sooner than 2030. Groceries are getting more and more expensive. A family of 4 in Canada will spend over $14,000 on groceries in 2022.
So when we're sewing a quilt, we have to determine the area and the length times width to sew a quilt and see how much wideness we're gonna want.
I'm doing Zero Hunger with our group, and we are making seed trucks. So they drive around and collect seeds and bring them to the garden and plant it so people can get food, because some people don't have food in the world. We coated it by using a bee board and a microboard.